Yeah, here at the Decatur location of American Family Care, they're still just as busy as ever. But recently, though, they have started to see more vaccinated people coming in who are sick with COVID. Now, the staff here believe that this is happening because some people are probably, letting their guards down a little too soon when it's not time for that just yet.
These people who are fully vaccinated feel like they don't need to be tested because they have been vaccinated. We just want to encourage they continue testing if they have symptoms or an exposure.
Julie Knopp and Landon Dutton are both nurse practitioners at AFC in Decatur, and they told me just because you're fully vaccinated does not mean you can't contract COVID. The Delta variant is even more transmissible than the original strain of COVID, and wearing a mask and getting tested on a daily basis is still important. But there is some good news here.
Average over the last 70 days has actually decreased 40% from the peak that we saw at the end of August of COVID cases.
Dutton is talking about the average number of COVID cases in the state. Now, Alabama is still not in the best place to do away with social distancing, wearing a mask, or vaccination efforts, but Knopp told me at AFC they will continue to educate you on what's the best practice to keep.
The more we spread the education that it is still possible to contract and spread and have symptoms with COVID, most of the population is trusting if we feel like they need to be tested.
On the Department of Alabama's Public Health, Department website, you can actually see where they are giving out the COVID vaccine and where they're doing testing. Now, here at the Decatur location of AFC, they are giving out Moderna, but starting next week, they will actually start giving out the flu vaccine just right ahead of cold and flu season. Reporting live in Decatur, Alexa Scott with One News.